WoodEasy is a beginner-friendly cable railing system for wood frame decks and stairs. All the parts are made of marine-grade stainless steel. The terminals are designed to be multi-angle for easy installing, which is ideal for both level and any angle railings. At Muzata, we also have professional design experts, who can tailor the perfect design for your cable railing project. If you have any questions, the tech support team is always ready to help. As a leading home improvement brand, Muzata has been developing products for cable railing systems for over several decades. We offer a professional and responsive solution for home improvement, striving to make home renovation easier and better.
Muzata